Hello friends, welcome to ANBG study group. In this video, I am going to share you CTET Paper 2 Practice Test Series 5. In this, we are having a total 10 questions from science part. These questions are very helpful for upcoming CTET exams. Dear friends, subscribe our channel and press the bell button. And we're having the Telegram group. Search in the Telegram group for ANBG study group. You'll get our group and join to our group and share to your friends. We'll start the questions now. First question: which of the following is not a conductor of electricity? Here options: lime juice, salt water, distilled water, vinegar. Here lime juice will conduct electricity, salt water will conduct electricity, vinegar also will conduct electricity. Here distilled water will not conduct electricity. So right answer is option C, distilled water. So while reading the questions, we have to read carefully. Here they asked which of the following is not conductor, they asked. So distilled water is the right answer. Next question: when electric current is passed through a metallic conductor, amount of heat produced in the conductor depends on its material, length and thickness. They given material and length only, length and thickness only, material and thickness only. Here the electric current is passed through a metallic conductor. That amount of heat produced in the conductor, that depends on material of the wire, length of the wire and thickness of the wire. So option A is the right answer. Manjula is observing her image in a plane mirror. The distance between herself and the mirror is 5 centimeter. See, this one is a mirror. Here distance between her and this one is 5 meter. She moves 1 meter towards mirror. The distance between herself and her image, they asked if that present image is, that is total 5 meter. This 5 total 10 meter will become. If she moved 1 meter towards mirror, it will become 4. So image distance from the mirror is, this is also 4. Total distance from her to image is 8 meter. Option C is the right answer. Identify the correct statement. Ball bearings are, identify the incorrect statement. They asked the question, incorrect statement. Ball bearings are used to increase friction between parts of a machine. This is wrong. See, statement is wrong. So we'll check the next option. Friction between two surfaces in a contact can never be eliminated on the earth. This is right. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. This is also correct. The friction of force on an object moving through a fluid depends on its surface. This is also right. So this statement is wrong. So right answer is option A. The ball bearings are used to increase friction between parts of a machine. This is the wrong statement, incorrect statement. Option A is the right answer. Question number 5. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the image formation in a plane mirror? We'll go to the options. Here image is an erect. This is right. In the plane mirror we'll get the erect image. Will not get a real image. Real image means if you obtain the image on the screen, that will be the real image. In the mirror will not get the real image. This is wrong. And image is lateral inverted. This is also right. The image size is same as that of the object. This is also right. So right answer is A, C and D. A, C, D. Option B is the right answer. Scientific concept of work suggests that a work is said to be done. Give, say we are having the work done is equal to F into D. See, force applied on an object, this is right, and displacement of an object. See, option A and B is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Work done is equal to F into D. Force applied on object into the object displaced. That is option A and B are the right answer. Which of the following facts may give equal numerical value of the temperature of a body? Here Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, Celsius and Kelvin scale, Kelvin and Reaumur scale. None of the other they have given. Here Reaumur is also temperature measuring scale. In which scales will get the facts may equal numerical values of temperature they ask. Here Fahrenheit and Celsius scale will get the equal facts of temperature, that is minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. This is the right answer. In Celsius and Fahrenheit scale will get facts may give equal numerical values of the temperature of a body. Which of the following statement does not represent Ohm's law? We know Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. Here V by I, this will be correct. V, I by V, this is also correct, and V by this is also correct. V is equal to IR, this is also correct. This will not get by the Ohm's law. So option D is the right answer. What they asked? The statement doesn't represent Ohm's law again. So I is equal to V, it doesn't represent Ohm's law. Option D is the right answer. An air bubble in water will act like convex mirror, concave mirror, convex lens and concave lens. An air bubble in water will act like a concave lens. Option D is the right answer. Concave means like this. Concave means this will be rough surface and this will be the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Choose the correct options. Last question. The part which protects the human eye is called cornea. Here they ask the correct option. The part which protects human eye is called cornea. Correct. The pupil in human eye can be dilated by iris. This is also right. Image is found on the retina of the eye. This is also correct. So all of the above. Option D is the right answer. Thank you friends for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and share to your friends. For more videos, follow us on a Telegram group, ANBG Study Group. In the Telegram, you search ANBG Study Group about CTT related questions and videos you will get in that group. Thank you for watching the video.